Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, in the dollar yen, I am definitely still a believer that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and that we're in a wave 5 now, which I think is going to go to one of these two Fibonacci extensions. I still think it's going to go up to the 157.5 area, right at the 61% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 4. So let's head down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do think this right here is a wave 3. I think this is an ABC of 4, and I actually think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I think we have a decent amount of upside potential to finish off this trend all the way up to about the 157.5 area. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the end of a 1. I think this is very clearly a correction, like a wave 2. We have definitely been making higher highs this whole way up. Where I think we're in a wave 3, and I think the wave 3 has a pretty large amount of upside potential left to go. So let's keep going down to that 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we had that big spike yesterday. Everybody probably thought the Bank of Japan was stepping in, but I personally am not too worried about that because the charts are going to tell me when it's time to start looking for sorts. And I definitely don't think it's time to start looking for sorts yet. I am for sure still looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks that I see for the continuation of the uptrend. All you have to do is zoom out on the 4 hour time frame, and you can see why looking for sorts over the last several months really has not really been a very good trade plan. So looking for longs has been much more profitable, and I don't think there's any reason to do anything yet besides continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I am for sure looking for longs. I am definitely looking for three-way pullbacks. So if it does make like a pullback, I am for sure going to be looking at that as a correction, especially if it makes three ways down and turns out like a Fibonacci retracement of the last wave up. If I see three ways down, I see impulsive up, I will for sure take that as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. Until the higher time frames tell me there's a reason to start looking for sorts, I am for sure primarily only looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.